Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is John Lloyd Gidol Dulao. I'm 24 years old from Apanay, Alicia Isabela. I am single and I'm the eldest child. I have two siblings, one brother and one younger sisters. I'm a college graduate and my hobbies is cooking and cleaning. I'm a pet lover and I have one dog and one cat. I work as a family driver and helper in the Philippines for past 2 years and 6 months. I serve to two children, one 3 years old boy and one 5 years old girl. My duties are taking care of children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your helper because I'm hardworking, honest, and dedicated to my job. I promise to be a good helper and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.